Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking obviously about something to do with the face because all I have on is my eyebrows and some moisturizer. We are talking about the wonderful Artis brush. So I went and got this a few days ago and have been using it. And I want to give you a review of it. I got number 6, Oval number 6, and I got it from the Fluenta collection because based on what other people said, the white handles of the original get all dirty and nasty and stuff like that. And so I said, okay, well, let me get the one with the black handle. So, and I wanted something that I could put my foundation on with, yes, not my hands. I know. And I'm trying some different stuff. Congratulate me a little bit on that. But that I can put my foundation on with and my concealer. So I got the number 6. And let me tell you what they say that it does. The Oval 6 size is the best-selling Artis brush in the world, with a fiber bundle about the size of the entire lid. The Oval fiber bundle blends foundation, blush, and highlighter flawlessly. That's a big claim, isn't it? The Oval 6 brush is designed to be used with liquid, cream, or powder products such as foundation, concealer, highlight, blush, bronzer, powder, loose or pressed, skincare products. And it is unique, patented. The brushes feature a handle shape that flows and curves elegantly until ending with either an oval, linear, or circular fiber bundle containing thousands of proprietary trademark cosmifiber. Cosmifiber? Yeah, basically it's proprietary and only they have it. So, opening it up, when I opened it, it came in this. That's pretty cool. And I was like, man, this is a lot smaller than I thought. And I was like, okay, this doesn't claim to be leather or anything of that nature. And yeah, it is made in China. It says it right here, made in China. And I'm like, is this going to be big enough for a foundation brush for my face? So I'm going to show you guys how I use this and tell you what my thoughts are about if you're going to buy one. I didn't buy the whole set because, well, I didn't need the whole set. You may want to buy the whole set, which is great. But yeah, I just wanted something to be able to put my foundation and mainly though my concealer and really get it good underneath my eyes and not crease and stuff like that without using the beauty blender, which tends to take a lot of product back with it, which they say this doesn't. So yes, it is super soft, guys. Like, this is soft, but it is dense. So it's not fluffy, like it's flowing through your face or nothing like that. It's dense still. One thing that I wish it was the brushes were either all white or a different color, because the brushes kind of resemble the same as the makeup color. So as I'm washing it, I'm not quite sure if I got all the makeup off. So I do it a few more times just to make sure. But so far, that's the only thing concerning the aesthetic that is interesting. And I would say this. I got the Fluenta, is that how you pronounce it? Fluenta collection. But based on how to hold it, I probably would have gotten the original one, because when I first started using this is really small and I have to really grip it. It doesn't kind of go around my hand like the original would. So yeah, so let me stop babbling and let's get into getting my face put together, because I have some blemishes here, and yeah, let's get it together. Oh, guys, what happened to me this morning? I broke my Dior foundation. It just dropped on the bathroom floor. Just dropped. So I will use the rest of this, and yeah, But normally with this brush for the Dior, I only need a couple pumps. Like, it's really good. It really is. They recommend you don't put it on the brush first, that you put it on your face and then blend it. So that is what I do. Since it's going to dry out, I'm going to put 3 because I have to throw it away after this. Okay, let me put one more pump just because. No, I need to show you guys how it works. So you're not supposed to go like in this weird motion. You just don't want to supposedly pick up the brush. So you just go like this. And yes, you are pulling at your skin. Now you feel that it's soft. You do feel the softness of the brushes. But to keep grip on this brush, I do have to, like, I'm pushing into this right here. So it's not this one isn't an easy help brush. And the next time, if I decide to get another one, which I'm thinking about it, because I think I might want to try the 7 or the 8, because my face is big. So this applies foundation fine. However, I think the bigger brushes would probably be faster. Not probably, they would be faster. And I was just looking for one brush to do everything. You guys know me. I like to just, can I get one product? Do I have to carry around all this stuff? But yeah, it blends beautifully, you guys. Like, this brush is amazing. It smooth, it blended well. Yeah, I really do love this brush, and aesthetically it's beautiful. But I think I will get the original next time, so I would recommend probably getting the original one, because holding this is weird. And although I want all of them to look the same, you know how if you're buying more, you want your set to look the same. But you know, what are you gonna do? You know. So yeah, I'm gonna put this concealer on. I'm using the KKW in 8. But this is what I found with this. I'm able to just pat the concealer in, which is, I really love. I mean, you can brush it in too, but I pat mine in, and it works amazing for me. And truth be told, that's really why I love this brush. This is a phenomenal concealer brush. Yeah, it's a phenomenal concealer brush. It's great. And of course, you can pack more on or less, whatever. But yes, I love being able to tap this any type of concealer. It works with my other concealers too. All right, guys. So you're probably thinking, does this work with powder? It does, actually. So let me show you. I just dip it in my RCMA and I set. You see what I mean though? This brush just fits right underneath there really well. And of course I could have put more on there to set it with, but I didn't. I only put a little. Guys, this brush is amazing. Like, yeah, it's awesome. I would totally recommend it. And all I do is after I use it, I wash it and I stick it back in there. And yeah, I just think it's too pretty to be with the other brushes. Not really. I just like the way it came, and so I just kept the box. That's all. So let me finish putting on my makeup and I will come back to you. Okay guys, I'm back. So I did a really bold lip because I was just feeling bold lip today. So the brush, I love it. I think it's a great piece. It washes well. It does not shed when it washes, and I think it just adds something to your collection. Is it a must-have? No. Does it save you on product from other brushes? Yeah, probably so. With your fingers? Not really, because I just put the same amount of product I would use with my fingers. But does it help me with my concealer? Yes. I love it for my concealer because I'm able just to pat it on and it just covers well and it doesn't pick up a lot of the product. The same thing with the foundation. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me use the brush. I would personally recommend the original one, even though that's probably going to get dirty, because handling the Fluenta is a little bit, it takes some used to, and it's kind of hard on the hand just a little bit. So, you know, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good brush. Good brush.